We are going to shaping the pattern. Knit one, and after that, knit two, stitch together. And after that, you knit 13 stitch. You combine two knit stitch together, then knit one, and you are going to repeat that over your remaining stitch. The next row, we are just going to knit a plain row to the end. Knit one, combine two stitch together, you need 11 stitch. You combine two stitch together, then knit one, and you repeat that over your remaining stitch. We are just going to knit a plain row. This row, you are just bind off. We are going to do a knit bind off. So you just going to knit two stitch like normal, and do this a little loose. Don't pull too tight. Then pull that first stitch over and off. Yeah. Up, one knit, and you pull that first stitch over and off. Knit one more stitch, pull that first stitch and over the stitch and up. You are going to just continue your knit to blind off until you run out of all stitch. So once you are all done, then this is what your piece will look like. So it's time for you to cut a somewhat long tail and thread it. This is your right side, wrong side here. And there are two options for you to stitch. You can use any method that you like. You can pick up the yarn from the heel, or you can pick up the yarn from the bottom, where your yarn is coming from. However, it is necessary for you to use the wrong side to stitch it up. I like to see up from the hill. This is what it look like one is also together. You can see that the bottom semi pretty seamless and the slipper is very soft. and you done.